amazing superhero transformation into towing truck. Deadpool. Deadpool becomes a towing truck. Crazy comedy on the road. Iron Man. Iron Man becomes a towing truck. Stark technology lifts vehicles. Loki. Loki becomes a towing truck. Trick with a crane. Venom. Venom becomes a towing truck. Heavy lifting symbiosis. Green Lantern. Green Lantern becomes a towing truck. Green's power to pull vehicles. Batman. Batman becomes a towing truck. Batmobile now tows cars. Ant-Man. Ant-Man becomes a towing truck. Small size, big power. The Flash. The Flash becomes a towing truck. Lightning speed lifts vehicles. Spider-Man. Spider-Man becomes a towing truck. Webs on the road. Thanos. Thanos becomes a towing truck. Infinity Gauntlet lifts cars. Superman. Superman becomes a towing truck. Superpowers on the street. Wasp. Wasp becomes a towing truck. Small wings, big job. Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman becomes a towing truck. Amazonian power lifts vehicles. Joker. Joker becomes a towing truck. Chaos on the streets. Robin. Robin becomes towing truck. Loyal partner in towing cars. Wolverine. Wolverine becomes a towing truck. Adamantium claws pull vehicles. Black Panther. Black Panther becomes a towing truck. Wakandan tech on tow. Thank you for accompanying us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. You guys are awesome, and see you in the next video. Stay alive and enjoy exploring the mysterious world of superpowers. See you in the next video.